What's going on, guys? So today we are going to show you guys the cinematic sound pack that we've created. It is insane. Everything you hear in this promo was made from our sound pack. You can see all the waveforms here at the bottom. We have all these sounds, cinematic sounds, action-packed sounds, atmosphere, sound design, all kinds of that stuff at your fingertips, over 100 plus sounds. So this is the promo that we use. We actually use those sounds, so here's a little bit from it. So yeah, it is insane. So I just wanted to kind of take you guys through and show you what you get when you download the pack. So here's the pack here, Cinematic Sound Pack version 3. Once again, we're going to